and the flag staff atop the White House. And it speaks to the growing controversy around Donald Trump's response to John McCain's death. What is happening there this morning?
Well, it's been almost a non-response, Heather. As you can see, the flag at full mast on top of the White House. That's one of few flags in Washington, D.C. to be like that. Today, the flag on the Capitol building is still at half-mast, likely to remain at half-mast throughout the week. And it is symbolic of the response that we've seen from Donald Trump. Now, there is a report in the Washington Post that the White House wanted to put out a statement. People like Press Secretary Sarah Sanders and Chief of Staff John Kelly, they wanted the White House to put out a statement honoring McCain as a hero. According to the story, President Trump himself nixed the statement and instead put out a short statement on Twitter on Saturday that we can show you, where the president offered condolences for McCain's family, but did not mention anything about McCain's service to the country for decades or his legacy. And this is shocking because the commander-in-chief is so often the mourner-in-chief in the United States in these national moments, but not really surprising given the animosity that President Trump has displayed towards Senator McCain throughout his life. You'll recall on the campaign trail, Donald Trump at that time, the candidate, said that McCain wasn't a war hero essentially because he was captured. And even just up until the last few weeks, we heard President Trump criticizing John McCain, Heather. So it is an awkward situation. And again, not expecting to see President Trump at the funeral service on Saturday. Vice President Mike Pence is expected to go instead.
Ellen, thank you. Ellen Morrow from Washington.